Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Maricel T. Herrera, 30 years old, with one son, 6 years old, living at Barangay Santa Luciana, Kawayan City, Isabela. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am 4th child in the family. I am a college undergraduate in information technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a domestic helper in the country of Amman, Jordan for 2 years to a couple, 1 child, 2 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, car washing, gardening. My main course is to taking care of their child.
What else?
I work as a sales lady for almost 2 years in Mr. DIY company. My main duties is to provide all their needs.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm always securing the safety of their child, sir. When the baby is sick, I'm always checking the temperature 30 minutes by 30 minutes, and I will tell to my employer the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to a certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide my family needs, especially for the needs of my son for his education.
If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My family, sir, my parents, my mother-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
If I am homesick, I will focus on my job, and I will always remind to myself that I need this job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. when my work is done, and I am waking up in the morning around 5 p.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient, sir, and calmer to dealing with them.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 and only 4 little ducks came back.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Ma'am, sir, thank you for allowing me to introduce myself to you. I hope you will choose me as your worker to your family. Thank you.
Okay.